Good morning. This is gonna be my last day here on Jekyll Island. First day that I've had a good sunny day, so I'm gonna ride my bike around, explore. There's a ton of bike trails I wanna check out. So I'm gonna do that and hopefully get to shoot tonight. Looks like it's supposed to rain again, but last night the rain cleared up about 10, so I went and shot after that, stayed out till about 3:30. Very happy with the images that I made last night. Probably the most inspiring night that I've had so far. So that's it. I will check back in. I'm gonna show you guys the island a little bit today, try to shoot some of the trails and stuff like that. Just a little pull off here. I saw these golf carts, so I figured maybe somebody knows of a secret cool beach. So going to check it out. Nobody around. So if you're on Jekyll Island, you're looking for a place that is not crowded, go to the water tower. There's tons of these, that was really bumpy. There's tons of these really cool bike trails, but if you stop for 1 second, you get eaten alive by mosquitoes. So why there's so many mosquitoes here is because Jekyll Island is surrounded by swamp. You can't appreciate the smell, but it stinks. So I was on the beach today and these girls asked me to take some photos of them. So I said, sure, no problem. And they said, oh, we really want to take photos out here at night. So I started talking to them about night photography, told them what I do. And so they're gonna shoot with me tonight. It's kind of weird, I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous now because like now I have pressure. I had such a good night last night just shooting, being free. And now I feel like I have pressure to do something cool. But anyway, so we'll see what we get. If they want to be in the vlog, I'll introduce them. They might not want to be in it. I don't know. So my concept, I'm just gonna basically do the angel wings because that's a safe bet. It's something that I know how to do, and it's always a good result for, you know, the people that have never seen it before especially. So I'm gonna use the plexiglass diamond, mainly because I don't have my feather. I left it. All you're gonna do is turn it on and off like this. I got a tutorial on that I can link you to. And then just a color filter to add in color to the scene, paint everything in, make it look pretty. You are Sophie? Taylor.
You got it.
So I met these two on the beach today, and they're gonna shoot with me, right?
Right.
Cool. What I do is I wait till it gets dark, and then leave the shutter of the camera open. So it's like one long exposure compressed onto one frame of film.
Wow.
You're gonna end up getting soaked because that tide's gonna come up, so you might wanna sit a little bit higher on the log. That's perfect if you're comfortable. Are you comfortable?
Sure.
All right. Just kind of look here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like you're looking there in the photo, all right? All right, here we go.
Oh my god, that is rad. That's awesome. That is so cool. Look at that. I love that so much.
Cool. Taylor and Sophie, had a great time shooting with them. It was a lot of fun. Really cool to introduce new people to light painting. It was actually Taylor's birthday, so happy birthday, Taylor, again. It's about 11:30 now. This camera's about to die. Today is a sad day because today my journey ends. This trip has been absolutely incredible. I'm so grateful to have been able to have a trip like this. I've been on the road for almost a month. I've seen the most beautiful places, hung out with the coolest people. I can't thank Jason Reinhardt enough for his hospitality and showing me all his incredible spots. I truly had a really inspiring time with him, and we explored some new light painting techniques that I'm excited to get home and try. Jeff Dunn showed me just an incredible waterfall. It was awesome hanging out with him. Taylor and Sophie that I met last night, the enthusiasm that you guys had for light painting and just how inspired you guys were. This is a huge part of why I try to share what I do with people, because of the reaction that you guys had last night. It was just incredible. Made me feel really good, so thank you guys for that. Thank you, Jay, Beverly, family, all you guys. Thank you so much for showing me around, let me stay at your house. Everybody that let me steal electricity, Crystal, all you guys. Thank you for letting me sleep in your driveways. It's just been incredible. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys got something out of it. Thank you for all the support. It's all the good, just all the good energy you guys are giving, man. Thank you so much. And if you have an opportunity to do what I did with this trip, do it, because it is just incredible.